Are you looking for a home on the Sunshine Coast? I'm Tara Sullivan with RE/MAX City Realty, and I want to introduce you to this beautiful listing that just came on the market.
Overlooking the ocean, island, and North Shore Mountains, 1512 Tideview Road in Langdale hits the trifecta for spectacular Sunshine Coast views. Literally steps from the beach, this 3-bedroom home was completely renovated in 2014 and boasts incredible finishes and an excellent floor plan. One of the home's many highlights is a funicular that effortlessly delivers you from Tideview Road to this beachfront house. You're a short 750-meter walk to Langdale Ferry Terminal, which makes traveling to Vancouver a snap. Just up the hill is the highly regarded Langdale Elementary School. This school serves students from kindergarten to grade 7. Let's ride the funicular down and take a walk-through tour of 1512 Tideview Road in Langdale, BC. Stepping off the trolley, we enter the 1,200 square foot main level via this exquisite front door. Inside, we find ourselves in an open concept space. Turning right at the combined kitchen and living room brings us to huge sliding glass doors that lead to your balcony and one of the best views on the Sunshine Coast. Back inside, we get a second look at the main living space before moving toward bedroom number 1. This bedroom has lots of windows and the same concrete floors as the rest of the main level. Right next door is a 4-piece washroom. The tub has a glass door and a tiled surround. We pass the wet certified wood stove on our way to the kitchen. Here we see bamboo cabinets, granite countertops, and 4 stainless steel appliances, including a gas range. The floors are colored concrete with in-floor heating. To our left is the laundry and utility room, and on our right is the master bedroom. Wake up each morning to a view of the mountains and the ocean before passing your walk-through closet on your way to the private 4-piece ensuite. Back at the front door, we walk down a small flight of steps to the self-contained lower level. The eat-in kitchen has concrete floors and an exposed beam ceiling. There are also more bamboo cabinets and more granite countertops. A short hallway brings us to this level's 4-piece washroom. There's some built-in storage and a vanity with a granite countertop. Our last stop inside is the suite's master bedroom. This is a big space with a sitting area and a loft bed. There are more exposed beam ceilings and concrete floors. A window lets you look out to that incredible view. Walking to the water, we find that there's a sandy beach at low tide. This is an excellent spot for swimming, kayaking, or just watching the wildlife. 1512 Tideview Road is a one-of-a-kind property. Extensively renovated, the inclusion of the funicular provides single-level access to those with mobility issues. There's also the option to add an additional 1,000 square feet via a 3rd floor. Stop searching for your dream home. This is it. Call Tara today to schedule your in-person viewing.
For more information on this home or any other, call me, Tara Sullivan, at 604-989-2577 or find me online at tarasullivan.ca.